Hello, guys. It's Mrs. Garcia, and you are in your first week of your choice board slash learning menus. You have three of those until the end of the year. So let me get to the first page. All right, so let's read this. It says, this week you will have a choice in your assignment. You are encouraged to look at all of the vocabulary and video for notes, then choose two assignments to complete. All right, so first thing, it says click here for tutoring information. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can put this in present mode, and when you do that, it makes it a little bit easier to go straight to the content that I want you to see. However, if you are not in present mode, okay, if you're in this mode, this view that I'm in right now, when you click on here, it's actually going to open up down here. It's kind of hard to see. You got to click on it, and then it'll take you to what I've linked that to. Okay, so just a reminder that our Monday meetups have changed. Instead of doing each class period, I'm just going to do three groups. So it doesn't matter what class period you are in. You can join at any of these times. And then I'm also linking the tutoring hours that I have, that Miss Lewis will have, which are not yet here, and what the tutoring hours for Miss Ramirez, okay? So let's go back to your choice board. So at first glance, it's like, oh, okay, there's a lot of slides. Remember, you don't have to do all of them. You have a choice. So if we go to slide number 2, the directions are over here in the right-hand corner. It says sections 1 through 3 are vocabulary and videos. I highly encourage that you guys go through the vocabulary and videos just so that way you get that refresher. So notice how they're all in white, because they're just reference materials, okay? And it goes along with the assignment that we did last week, the week of May 11th through the 15th. We did work on volumes. So this learning menu or choice board is gonna go along with this week's assignment, okay? So the assignments that are in the black font color, these are the assignments that you're gonna get to pick from. Now, I highly suggest that you go through each one and then choose your favorite 2, okay? So there are 6, you just have to choose 2. So let's just say that you wanna choose which container. You would click on the assignment name, and then you're gonna get this pop-up here. Click on that pop-up, and it's gonna take you to that exact assignment. Read through it, work it out. I did add text boxes for you already. So you're gonna have to do your work on a separate sheet of paper and then transfer it over to the slide, okay? If you decide, you know what, this is not the assignment that I wanna go ahead and complete for this week or this problem, go ahead and click back up here where it says back to the choice board. You're gonna have to click until you get that, and it'll take you back to slide number 2. So let's just say you did do that assignment, you completed it, you're gonna grab one of these stars here and you're gonna drag it here. The reason why I want you to put that star there is so when I'm actually going through your choice board, I know directly which problems you worked with, okay? So yes, it's called an assignment board, but don't think that you're gonna be working on like 20 problems. The assignments are literally like a problem or 2. They might even have 3 steps. It's nothing too difficult, but it is to build that foundation for your 8th grade year, okay? Like I said, if you have it in present mode, it gets you there a little bit quicker. However, like let's do this one. See how it takes me to this screen? Well, at first glance, that looks like a blank screen. So we want to be out of the present mode because on the sides, this is where you're going to have your directions, okay? So, and I'll put little notes here so that way you can click, and if you have a link there, follow it to get the virtual instructions, okay? So if you have any questions about this, just feel free to jump into my tutoring time or email me.